Do you have a brand story that is boring and plain, or you don't have a brand story at all? And I see a lot of brands, they use brand stories for just the sake of using it. And I think there is more to it. Amazon actually put this feature for a reason. And there's a lot of reason why you need to use brand story. And one of it is it allows you to cross-sell your product. And today I want to show you how to create a really engaging brand story, and I'll give you some tips. So let's take a look at the current brand story that I am making. So this brand is called Clay Kitchenware, and they craft handmade kitchenware such as mugs, bowls, glasses, and etc. So today I just want to share you how I create really engaging brand story. First of all, let's take a look at the background image. You may want to use your products as a background image. Why? Because there's a reason behind this. In mobile view, you only show this side, and you want to engage them and captivate them by using your own product. Second tip is to maximize this area. Maximize that area. That could be putting your feature, your brand benefits, or your brand goal as a whole. Specifically for this one, I put crafting culinary excellence because that's what they want to be known for. Third tip, you want to use this brand ASIN module. So it's a module, and don't use images that are plain and boring. And a lot of brands, they just put their product images there and call it a brand story. You want to capture them. You want to engage them in the brand story. So specifically for this module, you want to use a really nice background, not plain white background. It's a no-no. You also want to use the keyword. Even though this is like super small picture, it gives you a lot of room to cross-sell your product. And lastly, if you are going to use 2 or more modules like this, you need to separate the catalog. So these are the catalog. This one is the dinnerware, and this one is the kitchenware. The reason being is because if they click the store, it will direct them to the dinnerware catalog. And if they visit the kitchenware, or if they click this, visit the store, they will see a kitchenware. And that's about it. There is more to it, like about the brand, or how can you make a story, a real brand story, using the brand story feature of Amazon. And this is just one way to cross-sell your other products. So use it wisely, and there's a lot of things you can use for this one. And lastly, this swipe to explore. Again, if you don't put a call to action or CTA in your brand story, they won't scroll. You want to spark the curiosity in them. So you may want to put swipe to explore more. And that is perfect because it's like, what if I swipe more? And they will see your other brands. And that is the perfect way to cross-sell your product. So next time, I'm going to share how I create about the brand story. So yeah. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something from this. Let me know, comment down below what you want to know more.